What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to get these bikes tore down and down to the bare frame and get parts put up and figure out how much work they're actually going to need. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to go down and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. It really helps out the channel, gets our videos out to more people. But yeah, we're going to get rolling on these two pit bikes for anyone who hasn't seen any of the other videos, which you can also go check out. Yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got my bike completely tore down to just the engine. Everything's over here. We'll get to that in a minute. We put that spare engine we had in my brother's bike because we want to see if it runs or if it smokes or what the deal is, just so we know that it's a good engine before he gets completely tore down. So he's in the final process here of getting everything finished up.
Hopefully we don't need any of those.
Yeah, all that ghetto wiring. But there's the engine that was in the bike. It did run. We've already tested that. So we're going to test this one here.
Right.
Throttle, carb, everyth's on, fuel.
Which might be a little loud.
Oh, we can probably put the...
Yeah.
Hey, you want here? See if this makes it sound like mine, and we'll know if
Actually, it's not going to go on because we didn't pull the subframe out.
just take them two bolts out real quick.
Yeah, we can do that. There's only one. It was missing one anyway.
That's the story of our lives. You only had to take out like half the bolts because half of them were already gone.
Alright. Subframe, be gone.
She's a little wobbly, but it'll be alright. Could just be air. I think my KLX was like that. Like I always had air in the line for some reason. It never went away.
Well, it'll go down now once we keep it a few times. Alright. We don't know anything about this engine at all, whatsoever. We don't know how long it sat. We don't know where it sat. All we know is it has oil in it.
Yeah.
So,
It's kind of important.
get it primed here. Oh,
She got some compression, boy.
it's got a lot of compression for a little bike. Let's see.
Mine sure don't kick back like that.
Yeah, it almost seems like yours has a compression release, an automatic compression release.
Yeah, I would thought that it might, but it definitely don't. She's probably just beat. Sorry about the rattling, it's the heater.
Well, I know there's some fuel in the car. Wow, first kick. Smokes like an animal.
He ran.
Woo!
He thought he was gonna die.
No, it's just in my face.
I cannot believe that fired up. First kick.
Yeah.
That
Wow.
is insane.
Maybe we should let it run a minute and see if the smoke clears up.
Probably take it outside.
Yeah, let's take it outside. Take that off. Take that off. That doesn't sound good. Maybe it ran out of fuel.
What is that?
Smell like burning plastic.
It's like water. I wonder if it's full of water. We probably should have drained the oil.
Smell like burning plastic.
I can't believe it kicked up, fired up first kick both times. The engine that came on it didn't do that. We kicked it 90 times. Wow, that's pretty.
So did it run out of fuel?
Yeah, I don't know. There's a little bit of fuel right here, but yeah, it's not.
There's still something little in there, but
It's not pulling it down into the carb
it's interesting.
for some reason, but yeah, I think what we'll do is change that oil, and I bet that's why it's smoking, because that don't smell like burnt oil
Oh, it smells plastic.
at all, and that's definitely some kind of water coming out of it
Yeah, well,
mixed with oil.
yeah.
But it sounds good.
Yeah, it doesn't clank or nothing.
I mean, no valve chatter, no knocks, nothing. Cool. Well, at least we know it runs, so we'll just have to tear each one down and
Yeah, I guess inspect them. Once we get the heads off, we'll be able to see.
inspect them and
Check
go
the
from there.
cranks, see what they look like.
Yeah,
That's cool.
good news.
Now we know.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, now we know it runs. It'll be on the chopping block for a rebuild, that's for sure. And then we'll figure out something cool to do with that engine or have a spare. But so a few things here with this, the SSR frame. One of my engine mounts on the cradle are broke, so we'll be fixing that. Triple clamp bearings are rusty and gross. be getting replaced. The seat's pretty broke. It's all smashed up. But the big problem is the previous owner on this side. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I'll try to show you. Where the number or the shroud bolts onto the tank, they put too long of a bolt, screwed it right through the tank. So now that's got a hole in it, so it needs replaced. What else is going on here? I think that's it for like the really bad stuff. Yeah, but forks will get rebuilt. Shock's pretty much junk. Chain's no good to me. I think that's about it. All the parts are over there, or nuts and bolts. The engine here's that broken stud that I was talking about. So we'll have to get that out. I think that's about it for the bad news on mine. Don't really find anything too bad on yours. We did find out the other frame that he was going to use, somebody made a repair on it, so we're probably not going to use that frame now.
Yeah, other than that, we had one broken mount.
Oh yeah, he had
here.
a broken engine mount.
Other than that, the frame and everything looks pretty solid. Just pretty much everything on the bike either needs rebuilt or replaced. But that's what we got it for.
Absolutely. Mine probably on the verge of needing rebuilt too. So I'm going to do that anyways. At least do a top end on it. I'll check the bottom when we get it apart. New tires and everything all around. Probably get new wheel bearings and stuff like that. Freshen up the whole bike for this season to come. I don't know. I think that's it. Well, now we're recording. Hey, check out the bunny. That's the shop bunny. Can't believe no one said anything about him in the other videos. He just likes to hang out, and he loves riding dirt bikes.
Chewing holes through the walls.
Chewing holes through the walls.
Shortcuts.
He's pretty good on a bike. You guys will have to check that out. We'll get a video of Tinsel ripping it up on the pit bikes. He's definitely way faster than we are. But I think it's because he doesn't weigh much. But either way, pro tip, make sure you store all your bolts in a container, Ziploc bags, label them if you have to. Nothing worse than trying to put your bike back together and not having anything that you need. I've been there, I've done that. I've been working on dirt bikes and different things most of my life, and trust me, I've done anything you can imagine. I've had parts fall off in the woods, believe it or not. Well, I believe it because it's happened. But yeah, so doesn't take very many tools to work on these things. You can see what I used: Allen heads, pliers, screwdriver, a couple wrenches, some sockets. I used an impact to make it quick, but you can use a ratchet. Yeah, I think that's about it. I think we're gonna close this video out, and my brother's gonna finish tearing his down throughout the week, and I'm gonna head home and get this video edited so we can get it posted online, get it out to you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep up on the pit bike content. Smash that like button for getting the mystery engine running, and we will catch you in the next one.